will understand the concept of recovery days off in Jainam Software, which we can also call it as branch weekly off. So let's get started. For recovery days off, first we need to go to master setup setting, and I have already added two settings related to this. These two settings, the first setting is recovery of on holiday. So you have to set it as S, and recovery of days. You can set three letters for a day, Sunday, Monday, like that. So if it's Monday, if you can set it MUN. Okay. Now, let's say I create a loan by searching a customer, and then I select a specific scheme. Please remember, the recovery days off concept works only for daily loan. I have selected 90 days here with the specification, and I click save. Loan number 66 is created. 66, loan 66, and see the transaction installment. I can see that the installment is not created for Sunday. So Saturday, Sunday is skipped, then Monday, Tuesday, like that. So Saturday, Sunday again skipped. There is also one requirement that in your organization, one specific branch will follow a different weekly off. So for that, in master setup, branch hierarchy, let's say for Maharashtra, I just edit this branch, and weekly off I set it as Tuesday. And for Gujarat, weekly off I set it as Monday. So for Maharashtra, Tuesday off, for Gujarat, Monday off. So all the groups follow under that specific branch will follow that hierarchy or that configuration. Okay. Now I have one customer who belongs to Maharashtra branch. So this customer is mapped to Mumbai. Mumbai is a group, and it is under Maharashtra. So where Tuesday is off, we are going to create a loan. I click save. 67, installment tracker. Now you can see Sunday, Monday, and then Tuesday is not no installment created for that date. Okay. Sunday is just highlighted to indicate that it is like commonly used weekly off, so that's why it's highlighted in a different color. But whereas the installment is not created on Tuesday. Now let's see for customer who is mapped to Gujarat. So Surat is the group whom customer is mapped, and Gujarat is the branch where there are different groups like Surat, Ahmedabad. Now I create a loan and click save. Loan 68, I search, and in installment tracker I can see Sunday. Now installment is not created for Monday, then Tuesday, and so on. So it's very easy to define your installment as per your branch weekly off in Jainam Software. At the same time, if all your branches follow the same weekly off, then you can define that setting at company level. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.